Welcome back to our YouTube channel, English Titbits. Today we are going to learn what is a sentence, phrase and clause. Now, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. He has fallen down. It makes complete sense, so it's a sentence. The dog has gone home. It is a sentence again because it makes complete sense. Sentence has two parts, the subject and predicate. What are we talking about? That is the subject. He has fallen down. We are talking about he. So he is the subject. And what are we talking about? The subject has fallen down. That's the predicate. The verb is with the predicate. The book is on the table. We are talking about the book. So the book is the subject, is on the table is the predicate. So a sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense and has a subject and a predicate of its own. Now let us go to what is a phrase. A phrase is a group of words which make some sense but not complete sense. For example, in the hand. I did not tell you what is in my hand. So it's a phrase. If I tell you a book is in my hand, then it becomes a sentence. So also, by the river is a phrase. On the table is a phrase. Now let us go to a clause. A clause is a group of words which is a part of a sentence and has a subject and predicate of its own. For example, John is absent because he is ill. John is absent is a clause because it has three things. It has John, subject, is absent is the predicate. So it has a subject and predicate of its own. It is a group of words and it forms part of a sentence. Again, he is ill. Subject is he, is ill is the predicate. And he is ill is a clause because it is part of a sentence. It has a subject and predicate of its own. That's all for today. If you want more videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.